Tonight, members of a North City church destroyed in Friday's storm is on a mission, not just to recover from their loss, but to also help others.
5 on your side's Brent Solomon introduces us to a pastor bringing the community together even without a building.
How do you stand tall?
Really hurt
When you're stuck in the middle of unimaginable loss.
Everyone's hurt in their own way.
And when you're the leader others look up to strengthen their faith.
I have to put on a brave face, and I have to be able to console them despite how I feel.
Meet Pastor Travis Cox. He got the unexpected call Friday.
Pastor, the church was gone, that it had been destroyed from the tornado. I left everything at work and flew straight here.
Bread of Life Healing and Deliverance Center on Kossuth Avenue, now just a shell of the beloved home church members flock to every week. Everything is gone.
Instruments, microphones, soundboard, pews, a fellowship hall with chairs and tables.
Monday, Pastor Cox met with Senator Josh Hawley as he surveyed the damage, hoping to help bring relief to St. Louis. As he does his part, the church is doing theirs, but not for themselves.
Even though we had a devastation, ministry cannot stop. The work of Jesus Christ cannot stop.
For the neighborhood struggling to recover, the church is holding a clothing giveaway Wednesday at 3 in the afternoon.
We're going to set up right here on the side here.
Come one, come all.
It's still our community, even though we're in a crisis right now.
After all, it's what they're used to.
We've always been a church that loves to give, love to serve, love to help. Our passion is giving back to the community and showing love. And I think sometimes that's the most crucial part that's missing is the love.
Because when you give it, perhaps we open ourselves up to see it somehow return.
God's going to restore us. That even though it looks bad right now, greater is coming.
Brent Solomon, 5 on your side.
And the church has created an online fundraiser for anyone who wishes to help as they work to recover. You can find a link on KSDK.com in the As Seen on TV section.